Let's get started.
So I went online to check out why water would be accumulating in the cab, and there were a few explanations for it. One was that the drain for the sunroof was clogged. I got after it like they told me to, and I took off this panel, side panel here, and the A-pillar, and I noticed that the hose goes into the cab, and sure enough. So on both sides they were disconnected. They have been reconnected and still checking for leaks. Some final touches on the crossmember, stabilizing the rust there. For now, it'll do. I don't know if you remember how bad the undercarriage was, but now it's better. Shut up, Bart!
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.